Day 8 post-op window glass removal. All right, we've got a window, and this meeting rail indicates that it is an upper sash. Window I, U for upper. This is actually wood sticking. Small nails. Further you go, usually the easier it gets. Something's catching. What is it? Oh, one more nail right here. Okay. Got it. I use a blade to try to cut through the paint layers. Find that clean break on the putty. Oil-based putty here. Modern, rubbery, plasticky. This is caulk. Try to get as much as possible. We've got a little bee friend. Aww. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. This was the triangle point. Got it. There we go. It's loose now. So this is the lower sash. It's upside down, and in the meeting rail, it's in a groove, as some people call it, a dado. Got it out. Wavy waves there of the original glass. Stay tuned for Day 9 post-op, Ohio History Day, judging.